In this video, I want to show you how you can build the biggest asset for your business. Whether your business is a physical store or an online store, it doesn't matter. This asset is important if you want your business to scale. This is called the landing page. Now, hold on, I lied and I'm guilty as charged. Your landing page is not your biggest asset, but is next to your biggest asset, which is your email list. Your landing page feeds your email list with potential prospects which you can market your products and services to during the course of the buyer's journey and make some decent sales with time. A lot of times when we want to start a business or launch a product, we stress so much on looking for a designer or a developer to build out our website, making us spend so much time on the little things. However, what you need is just a landing page for people to come visit. Maybe bribe them with a high value lead magnet so that they can sign up. Now, with the help of artificial intelligence, you can build a landing page within minutes. That means anybody, irrespective of your tech skills, can build this asset. So if you've been watching this video so far, my name is Stanley Dike. I'm a digital marketer and tax consultant. I want you to stick to the end because you're going to get a ton of value from this. Let's dive right in. So you go to a site called Getresponse. The URL is app.getresponse.com. And when you create a profile or an account there, you see all these options here. Now, there are quite a number of landing page builders online that you can choose from, to be honest, but I use Getresponse and I'm kind of fond of them. That's why I like to talk about their landing page builder. They have a very robust email marketing software and capabilities as well with the autoresponders and marketing automation. So I use them for my campaigns. So you have all the options here: create a newsletter, create from pop-up, create a landing page. So you go ahead and create a landing page. And by the way, if you're looking to create an account on Getresponse, you have like a 30-day free trial, and I have a link down below that you can use to sign up. I'll just give you an overview of what their plans are like. So if you start with a free plan, you'll be able to use it for free for about 30 days before you start paying this amount, 15.6 per month, right? And to be honest, it's really worth it if you want to give it a try. But that 30 days is a lot of time for you to experience the software, use it, and test to see if it's something that you want to be using going forward. And they're kind of like on a promo, so it's typically $19 per month, but it's $15.6 for now if you start at the moment. So my link is down below if you want to sign up. So let's go back into the training. So when you click on landing pages, you come to this page. You have the option of choosing a ready-made template or an AI-powered builder. So because we are not techie right now, I'll just go the AI-powered builder. And then it asks me to describe what field do I work in. Let's just say I work in fitness industry, right? And then fitness coaching, right? I help busy entrepreneurs stay fit. Let's say entrepreneurs and corporate employees stay fit by producing fitness programs and meal prep. So let's just keep it this simple, right? And we describe your product and services, and yeah, so let's just keep it like this, right? And then it asks you which element do you want to pick. It has suggested to put an FAQ, a gallery, a list, and a sign-up form for you, right? And if you want to include a chat box, you can include that. If you want to include a contact form, you can include this. If you want to include a video, you can do that as well. It's up to you on how you want your landing page to look like. But we can still edit all these things within. If I wanted to put a testimonial, I can put a testimonial, but I will keep it very simple for you today. And let's go into the next step. Now you have to choose how you want your landing page to look like. So maybe I say I want to go with ease, for instance, and I want to upload a logo for my landing page, and I'll have to look for a logo I'm going to put in here. So part of my delay. So let's just imagine we are putting this logo in here. Okay, then I have to look for the theme, and let's just say I'll go with this clarity and next step. So let's just imagine that I'm sticking with this information right here, and I'll proceed forward to the next step. So the landing page is getting ready. I'll just wait and see what it comes up with. So already you see that the landing page has been built, and it shows me the designs that are available for me. I can look at these three, and even if I don't want to pick any of these, I can still go back and look for a better landing page. But let's say I want to use this design, I can preview it and say, okay, well, this doesn't look so bad. For instance, you can work on these colors. If these colors are not your cup of tea, you can actually really work on them. And I can just see how I want to use this design. So let's say we're using this design right now, and I want to, now I'm supposed to edit this design if I want to, and I can stretch my logo to be bigger, for instance. And if I like the color of this, I can leave it. If I want the page to be shorter, I can make it shorter, and I can put more text here. Start your fitness journey today, and name, phone number is all written there, name and email address. And to be honest, if I don't want to do anything serious, I could just come in here and delete this page. I can delete this sheet if I just don't want to include all those things there. If my major focus is just getting their email addresses, I could come over here to delete this sheet as well. And then I have this very easy landing page here, right? And I can leave this here as well. If I want to make this a little bit more prominent, I can increase that there. And I can edit anything I want to edit here, to be honest. Experienced and qualified trainers at your service. If I want to make this font, you can change the font of this to, let's say I want to make it black. Let me make this black here, right? And so I can do that again, and so you can see that this is black right now. I'll just highlight the text and make it black, just like the rest of them. And this is just to show you can edit this thing on the go. And I might just say that I like how this website looks. I might want to make this a bit bigger and change the font size to say 22. So I will highlight it first. So it's very obvious that I want them to see this message. I can also highlight this and make it bigger than what it is currently. It's currently on 44. I can make it a 48, just make it bigger. And there are a lot of things you can do on this site. If you want to change the image here, you can replace this background image to anything you feel like. Maybe I want to put this background image instead. I'll just put that instead, right? And that shows up here. But I can also go back if I don't want to do that. I can easily just go back or go forward if I'm thinking of editing. So you see this is quite user-friendly, and there's a call to action here already. I might put a link to a call to action here, or I might just not even care about it because I have a form here. So I can just go up here. I might not really need this call to action page. I can just take it off and let the page look like this way. So you can see that pretty much you have a website that is here. You can go ahead and tweak or change all these things. And once you click on them, this sidebar comes up and you can easily change whatever you need to change. If it's the alignment, it's the font color, it's the background color, you can do that as well, right? So, but I'll leave it in this way, and I can now preview for both phone and mobile, for both phone and laptop. So this is how it looks like on desktop, and this is how it looks like on phone. And I might say, okay, I think I'm fine and satisfied with the appearance of this, and I can still go ahead here and update this for each of the sections. But I will just leave it the way it is and continue. So already you see that your landing page is ready, right? And it has a domain that's been assigned for you. You can send an opt-in mail and you can choose the list. So I have different lists, which is landing page, which are created. So a list is where if someone signs up on this landing page, where they go to. So I've created a bit, like quite a number of leads, and I can just come to maybe blog list, for instance. If I need to send an opt-in confirmation email, that means I'm sending an email to anybody that opts in to just confirm that okay, they've opted into this thing, so it doesn't look like a scam. When they do opt in, my rates, like my open rates increases, then if there's an auto response that I've connected to this site, I can just ensure that the contact going to this auto response. The auto response are like automated images are sent to you when you sign up for anything. So after this, if I want to upload a favicon is like if my business starts with the letter F, for instance, that F will be on the task bar on the browser whenever I'm browsing to show that it is my browser pretty much. So I can actually continue this, and then I have my landing page name. You can change this name to anything, fitness landing page, and you have a URL which is connected to a Getresponse website. You can also add your own personal URL by either buying a domain name or connecting your domain name. These steps are very easy to do and you don't need to sweat them out at all. Like if you click on these links, you'll be guided through how to go about with it. And then you can publish. There's some few things that we do not do even while we are publishing this, but I just want to show you how quickly this can all be instead of waiting for your designer to do things for you, right? Just collect the email address of these people and you're good to go. So I can come and edit design here if I feel that there are some things I need to work on. For instance, my thank you page. I've not done a thank you page for this website. So I go to thank you page and okay, it shows me this. And it shows me that it's thanking you need to create an action anytime someone signs up for anything you're doing. So yeah, you're making them know that you've seen them and you thank them for what they've done, So this is a thank you page here. And the font color is almost like the front color of the main website. And everything is on point, right? And that's pretty much how you create it. You can just go ahead and publish. So the Getresponse, even the lowest plan, allows you to publish this. So I can actually pick this URL and copy. I can paste on my browser. So this is my listing. So you see, website is live already. What I need to do is just and then it's something I want to show you right now. If I should opt into this website like this, and I sign up, right? It gives me a thank you for joining our fit family. Get rich transform your lifestyle with cutting-edge fitness program and leisure proportion. Stay tuned for exciting updates and exclusive offers. So I want to let you know that I did not put any of all this text. This text came in just with the landing page builder because I described my kind of service. It has given me this, right? So you can go ahead and edit this to however it suits you, right? Make it your own, personalize it. And I can go then to my list. Since I've done this, I can go to my contacts. And remember, I put that in blog list. Another blog list. You can see my email already here, which was done today, 11th of March 2024. So I hope you appreciate this knowledge and you can start implementing this